A door is another traditional use for wood on the exterior of your home, and wood doors, they look great, but they don't stay looking great for very long. The reason is because all of the sun and wind and snow really breaks down the finish on a door, and you can see how this one has deteriorated a little bit even though it was refinished only 2 years ago. Now, refinishing can be quite a chore. You have to do all of the sanding. Then you have to clean it well. You have to apply a coat of stain and 2 coats of a polyurethane type finish in order to get it to hold up for a little while. And this one's even protected by all of this overhang, but still, it looks pretty bad. Well, the faux solution to that problem is to go with a fiberglass door. Now, these have come a long way over the last few years, and they really do a great job at mimicking the look of real wood. And they're available in a lot of different styles and shapes with a lot of different types of window panels that are available in it. And most fiberglass doors have wood on the inside with the fiberglass skin. Now, this particular one from Geldwin has an Auralast wood inside, which is resistant to any damage from moisture or termites, and that's real important.